Hey, what's up guys, what is going on YouTube? This is Vike Studio here. Welcome to another awesome tutorial. How I will be showing you on how you can design this logo design, this particular one here. I'll walk you through how I did this in Corel Draw, right? So I'll be using Corel Draw to design this. So you can see this is how I was able to get my circles, different circles to get my logo done. So I have this, I have this. So all this stuff I got them using my circles here. Okay, so I'll be showing you how I did this in Corel Draw. So before we dive into that, this logo is for a logistic company that do export and delivery of the stuff. So this concept will explain. You can see that I'm having something like a parted way between these two circles here, and there's a break around the within these two circles you are seeing here. So this is to show that they are into delivery. So you know, all this stuff, when they are delivering it, they use this road. Okay, so that is just the basic concept of this stuff. And the reason why I use Eclipse is they are doing it worldwide. Okay, so that's why I use these circles you are seeing here. So these are just the basic explanations to this logo. There are more detailed explanation which I gave my client though. So I'll be walking you through on how I did this. So let's dive into this. So actually I'm not here to explain this logo for you. Maybe if you want to know more about logo design, you want me to give you a full tutorial on what logo design is and what logo design is not, let me know down below the comment section, and then I will look out for you and then bring up that tutorial in my next video. So I'll be waiting for your comment, guys. Let's go into that. So let me create another page so that we'll work with that. So I have this page, and then the first thing I did was to pick up my ellipse, this ellipse. Hold your control while you draw a perfect ellipse, something like this. Okay, and then once you are done with that, you will bring up this your guidelines. So I bring this to the middle. Okay, select the circle again. So go over here and then bring this your guideline to the middle again, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to duplicate this. That is, right click down and then drag to one side, and then when you leave, you see this option coming up, and then you see copy here. Okay, so hold your shift while you reduce this. Okay, reduce it, make sure it's something like this. Okay, let's have something like this. Let's have something like this, something big like this. And then you have to duplicate this again, right click down and drag to one side and leave, and then copy again. So hold your shift to reduce that again. So I will have something like this. So let's have something around here. Okay, or something around there. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to have another circle here again. Let's have another circle here again, copy here. Okay, let's have something like this. Okay, so we have something like this. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to use your smart fill tool. You can go over to your toolbar and then you locate that. We are going to use our smart fill tool to give what we have here some colors. Okay, so let us pick up our smart fill tool. So go over to your toolbar and then you see something like this, or if you are not seeing it around here, you can check this arrow here, this two arrow you are seeing down here. Click on that and then you have your smart fill tool, and then we have something like this. Now this is what we are going to do. Come over to this part, this middle here, I fill this. Okay, and then come over to this other part, then I fill this. Okay, simple. And then once you are done, you can just select both, hold on your shift, first of all click on this part, then hold on your shift and then select this part. Then you can take this part off let's say move here. Okay, so we have this. So select everything, remove the outline. We don't need any outline here, and then you can select everything and then Control G to group. So you can also, let's say for reference sake, pick up your smart fill to do this, simple. Now let me give you a take note home. So make sure your logo is very simple, not something very complex. A logo should just be simple. Just adding too much element to your logo can just make it so complex. Okay, so easy to understand, easy going, and then let it be useful to. Okay, so let's say I have the brand name here now. Okay, I think I use this font, this Musafin. So this is the font I use. So this is it. So you can see that I can change this logo to white, to black. I can change this logo to white. I can change this logo to any color. So my logo is working on any color. Okay, that's why I say your logo should just be simple. So let's take a bold look at this. You can see how the logo is. So that is why that is how I went about the logo which you are seeing here. So it's basically very simple to do. So all these logo designers, they do something very simple, and they just learn this basics. So if you want more tutorial on how you can go about your logo design, any form of logo you want, I will be bringing that. So just let me know down in the comment section, and then I'll look for a way and then bring up that tutorial, a detailed tutorial about logo design for you. So this is just the basic step which I took to get this logo design done. This is just the overview. I just want to show you the rest projects. They are not yet available now. So do well to follow me on Instagram, Bike Studio, and then on Facebook also Ademarome Victor, and then I will be seeing you in my next video. Thank you guys. I love you all. Goodbye.